Hello dear friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're here with my middle son Narek and Mariam, and I was waiting until they come back from school, and we're going to prepare with you a nice, tasty and very healthy and easy to make Mediterranean meatball soup. We have very simple and all natural recipes. We have ground beef, marinated, we have potatoes, rice, carrots, some greens, onions, bell pepper and flour. So let's get started. Okay, to get started we're going to take our meat and we're going to use our hands to make meatballs. Okay, and we're going to then put them in the flour. Okay, roll them in the flour, and here we have the first meatball. Flour is helping so the meat will keep its shape, and that's very important because we're going to boil them in the water. And here's our second one. So we keep going and making. You don't want to do too many, but just as many as you need for your family. Okay, let's make some more. Okay, you can decide what type of size you want to use for your meat. You can make bigger ones or small ones, like this is small, and you roll them in the flour and put this one. Okay, as you see, it takes very few moments. Next we add our meatballs to the boiling water, one by one. Be careful when you do that, so the shape is preserved. While our meatballs are boiling, we're going to start our saute, and I use some butter and some olive oil to get our saute started. We're going to add onions, and we're going to add some bell pepper to it. Okay. Going to be nice and neat. In the meantime, I'm going to add our potatoes to our boiling water and meat, our carrots, and our rice. We're going to gently simmer it. Mix it while it's simmering, and then after a few moments, this is going to add beautiful smell, flavor and beauty to it. A couple of minutes and it will be ready. You can add some more olive oil. You can use as much as you need. Let's mix this too. It already smells very good. I can see from the looks of my children that they're hungry and eagerly waiting for this. You don't want to saute the onions very much, just so that it preserves some flavor, so you don't burn it. And then we're going to add it to our soup. As our saute is already ready, let's add this to our boiling soup. mixing. It already looks like beautiful. You've seen beautiful colors of carrots and bell pepper. They're making it really nice looking. And it smells very good. It will be ready about 5 minutes. In the meantime, we're going to add salt and pepper. Red pepper. We'll give it flavor and some color. Black pepper. And then it's basically ready. Just toward the end, I'm going to add cilantro or parsley, depending what you like. When it's almost ready, I'd like to add some organic basil, dried basil. It will give nice flavor to it. And a special old purpose seasoning called Vegeta. And not too much because it is salty, but it has nice smell to it. Those who have used it, they know what it is. And then you mix them again. And at the end, I'm going to I have a mix of parsley and cilantro here. Some parsley and cilantro. See how nice it looks. And it will be ready in about 3 minutes. Okay, now let's give it a try, okay? And see how it is. It's still a little hot. Angela, would you like to try? How is it?
It's perfect.
You like it? Mm-hmm. Okay, very good. So what would you like to say to our friends who watch our channel?
Bye, and hit that little bell, and please subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Thank you very much for watching today's cooking, friends. I hope you will make this Mediterranean meatball soup and you will do it and cook it for your family. I wish you all the best and toast to your family, and may the kindness of love multiply in this world, and have a wonderful evening.